Okay, y'all. Obviously, if you've had soft locks before, you know how hard it was to take them out. That's why I was crying. I cried then, but I can laugh now. So here we go, installing the wig. Of course, we put the cap on. Now we're using Coin waterproof lace glue. Go ahead and spread it on. Now we're about to apply the wig. A lot of this is pretty much fast forwarding, cutting to the chase, because y'all pretty much know, the levels of installing the waist wig. So a lace wig. So I've already cut off the excess lace from the front of the wig, and that's the results prior to me really melting it. I haven't even really melted it yet, but it still looks good, and it's not even HD, but it's a really, really good lace and very, very affordable. This is a 30-inch wig. Now I'm melting it with the melting spray from coinclosetbeauty.com, and here is the melt band. Now it's really like seeped into my skin. Just took out my edges. Now I'm about to cut it, and as you can see, I cut it at angle going down. That's how I cut all my baby hairs. And then I'm using the little small flat iron to curl it. I'm using a mousse to put it down because I want soft, fluffy baby hairs in the end. I had put on the paper, the wrapping paper, to let it dry. Now I'm like kind of wetting it for like a wet dry look, but now I wetted it like the time came up so fast, y'all. But here you go.